Good morning, Rax. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, which makes today National Empanada Day. Absolutely. That sounds pretty good right now. Three big things going on. I don't know what happened to my numbers. Let's see if we can fix that right now. Live action. As we said, masks and gloves are recommended now in Monroe County. Not everybody's doing it, but it's really important. This is where we want to stop the spread. We've been going down in Monroe County the last 6 days. Let's make it 7. Regents are canceled, as you know. Now it really becomes important. You got to pass your class for the year. So if you were struggling in the first couple of quarters, and if you're struggling right now in the third quarter, get it fixed. The marking period will end by the end of the week. So it's important to make sure you're making that up so the fourth quarter isn't more difficult. And one stat to throw out there, as you may have seen, African Americans more at risk for the coronavirus, and I'll show this a little bit better on this chart, in a lot of different cities around the country, or some states, as you're seeing here. The African American population and the percentage of deaths and the percentage of the population is far higher than what you may see in the gray for other races and populations. So it's really important to make sure that you're using social distancing. It doesn't mean that you are going to have a symptom or a illness from it, but somebody around you might, and you certainly don't want that. So don't fool around with this disease until we know more about it. Birthday of the day goes to what it is, Liz. Happy birthday to Liz.
Happy birthday.
Wow, that should have been a lot higher pitched.
Happy birthday.
Okay, there we go. So that's all I got for today. Get after it. You got a couple more days before the marking period winds out. You want to have a good, strong grade for the third quarter. With that, have a great day, Rax.